Assalamualaikum. Today we will solve the Unit 1 Part 3 Life in the Desert and Forest Region. At the page number 22 there are some questions. You can watch the answers on the screen. I'm going to read and explain the answers too. Question number 1 is, what are the continental deserts? How are they formed? Answer is, continental deserts are in the middle of continent. They get no rain, clouds. Example, Gobi Desert, Mongolia and Great Australian Desert. Question number 2. Why is the population of desert regions so low? Deserts are hot, dry places with a harsh climate. There is little or no vegetation, very little water, poor soil, no farming and no food crops. There are no settlements and no developments. Hence, the population is very low. Mostly nomadic tribes live in these areas. Question number 3 is, what sort of vegetation would you find in a desert? Answer, desert plants are spiny and have thick fleshy stems that store water. The spines prevent the animals from eating the plants. Question number 4. How Saudi Arabia has become a rich country? Saudi Arabia has large reserves of oil underground. The government sells the oil and uses the money for the development of the country. Number 5. Name the South American countries which have equatorial forest. Ecuador, Colombia and Brazil in South America have equatorial forests. Number 6. Why are equatorial forests important? These forests are very important because they are a source of oxygen for all the living things and are known as lungs of the earth. Question number 7. Differentiate between equatorial and temperate forests. Equatorial forests are hot, wet and humid all years round. The vegetation is very dense as plants grow very close together. There is a large variety of animals. Temperate forests are very cold and vegetation is very different. The trees grow apart and there is ground vegetation in the form of bushes. The animals, birds and insects population is not as high as equatorial regions. Question number is, what problem do people living in equatorial forest face? People find it difficult to travel through these thick, dense forests as they cannot clear the land for cultivation. They also face the problem of tropical disease. Question number 9. Look at the map on page number 19. Why are there fewer temperature forests in the southern temperature? You can see at the page number 19. The answer is, there are fewer temperature forests in the southern hemisphere because there is less land mass and more water covering the surface of earth. The ocean currents on either side of Africa and South America keep the land warmer than the huge land mass of the countries in the northern hemisphere. Work page number 23. Find these words in a dictionary or an encyclopedia. Write a sentence to explain each word. Bedouin, the name of nomad of Arabian desert. Sirocco. Sirocco is the name of hot, dry, dusty wind that blows through the meridian region. Wadi. Wadi is a dry river bed in the Middle Eastern desert. It means valley. A nomad is a wanderer, a person who does not live in one place and it's constantly on the move. Number 5. Cactus. Cactus is a fleshy plant, usually with prickles, found in a hot, dry climate. Write the words below in appropriate column. In climate column, you will write wind, temperature, rainfall, whirlwind. In land column, you will write sandy, rocky, wadi, dunes, vegetation, spiny, leaves, stem, roots. In vegetations, you will write spiny, leaves, stem and roots. Animals, you can write camel, snake, lizard, hedgehog. Hedgehogs. C. Circle the things found in equatorial forest with green ink and those in temperate forests with blue. Some of things you may be found in the both kind of forest. Circle them with both colors. So you should use two color or ink to circle these things. Equatorial, a lot of sunshine, over 200 centimeter of rain, hot climate, unnamed species, pygmies, fast growing plants, millions of small insects, hot wetland, heavy rainfall. So you will circle them with green ink. And temperate forest, you will circle it with blue ink. Temperate forest, this is cold climate, snowshoes, long roots, coniferous trees, alpine trees, animals with fur, frozen rivers. D. Complete these sentences. Trees in alpine forest do not grow very tall because, number 1, answer is because of cold climate. Okay, you will write because of cold climate. Number 2, roots of coniferous trees help to keep the soil from being washed away. Number 3, dead trees in rainforests don't fall the ground because of dense vegetation. Plants in rainforests grow fast because of heavy rainfall and fertile soil. Animals are not hunted for their fur because there are laws to protect wildlife species. So student, this was all about unit 1 part 3, page number 22, 23 and 24. You will solve it very neatly. You will write answers and questions. You will fill in the blanks and columns in the given space on the book. So for the next part number 4, keep watching our video. Inshallah, the polar region and exploration will be uploaded very soon. So your assignment is up to the polar region and exploration.